Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set up payment reminders in Wave accounting. This helps you stay updated with payment notifications and keeps you informed about invoice activity. Open your browser and head to the official Wave website. On the home page, look for the Sign In button. This takes you to the secure login screen where you can access your account. On the Sign In page, carefully enter your login details, making sure they're correct. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step to keep your account secure. Once you're in, you'll land on your Wave dashboard. From here, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Web Tutorials area. It's a helpful spot for guidance, and in this layout, a handy starting point for getting to the settings we need. Click Web Tutorials to open the panel, then proceed to Profile Settings. This is where your account-level preferences live, including email and notification options tied to payments and reminders. Inside Profile Settings, select Notifications. This section controls which alerts Wave sends to your inbox, so it's the place to confirm you'll get timely updates without noise. Next, go to the Payments area within your email preferences. This is where payment-related messages, such as confirmations, issues, and reminders tied to invoices and payments, are managed. Here's the key action. Always check your payments notifications. Make sure the options you rely on are visible and clearly enabled. These can include messages when a payment is received or fails, and reminders that help nudge clients before and after due dates. If your interface shows toggles or checkboxes, confirm they reflect what you want. If you see a Save or Update button, click it so your preferences stick. A few quick tips to keep things reliable. Verify that your email address in your profile is accurate, and if required, verify. Add Wave's email domain to your safe sender list so reminders don't land in spam. If you manage multiple businesses in Wave, confirm you're adjusting preferences for the correct business. And if your team shares responsibility, make sure the right people have notifications turned on so no important update is missed. That's it. You navigated from the Wave homepage, signed in, moved through Web Tutorials to Profile Settings, opened Notifications, went into Payments, and confirmed your payment notifications. With these preferences checked, your reminders and payment alerts will arrive on time, helping you follow up faster and get paid more reliably. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.